In this video, we'll show you how to install Alpena's dash lights. The following tools will be needed for this installation. Protective eyewear must be worn while installing this product. Let's get started. Open the boxes to lay out your product and ensure that you have all your parts. Remove the Try Me function by cutting the black band on the 12-volt power adapter and disconnecting the black wire. Unscrew the top cap with the red wire attached and disconnect the red wire inside. Ensure the fuse inside the 12-volt adapter is properly in place and reattach the top cap. Select a mounting point on your dash. Test the fitment and make sure it does not impede the function of your vehicle's instruments or controls. Clean the desired mounting surface with a mixture of hot soap and water or rubbing alcohol, ensuring that the surface is clear of any contaminants. Dry the surface with a shop towel. Once the surface is dry, remove the 3M backing and place the pods in your desired location. Press down firmly on each pod to ensure that it is adhered properly. Grab the provided 12-volt plug adapter for your dash lights. Insert into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet. Activate the on switch located on your 12-volt power adapter. Your dash lights are now ready to go.